Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. Today I have another unboxing and haul from Stationery Pal. So Stationery Pal reached out to me again and asked me if I would like to choose some products for a back to school haul. And I absolutely loved my last haul, so I couldn't wait to do that. I used to love back to school, picking out my kids' clothes and buying their school supplies. Now that they're older, it's not as fun anymore. So the fun has now become picking out things for me because I know I'll have a little more time. So for my back to school haul, I gotta pick out traveler's notebook supplies. So that's what this haul will be. I hope you enjoy watching this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm excited to see how similar it is. Box looks the same, and so it's a very cute little box. It's reusable. I still have my other one. And on the back, it says, thank you. I will have everything linked below that I can find, along with the coupon code for 12% off, I believe it is. So this time it comes with cute little bubble wrap that's purple. Oh, it's so pretty, but it still has the hearts. That's so cute, and it has a cutest little teddy bear sticker this time. Already more confetti, gold confetti. So I'm going to try to open this again without tearing the sticker. And the sticker says, all about stationery. That's so cute. That really is cute. All right, I'm gonna open this up, and we have the card, and thanking me, and they hand wrote my name. That was very nice. And then we have the cute little teddy. This was my favorite little free goodie last time. It's a little teddy bear, so cute. It's really plush feeling. And it looks like they sent, if this is supposed to be, look at, they sent this little like bracelet, like with charms, and it's like a bracelet or something. I'm not sure. This is a little free goodie. So that's really cute. It says positivity because it's a little cup of tea. All right, what else do we have here? Next is a airbag, a cell phone bracket, and it's a little flower. Oh my gosh, they sent all kinds of stuff again. And then there's a little keychain, little astronaut, but it's a girl astronaut because it's pink. Okay, what else? We got some more free stuff. A little clip thing that I used my last one to hold open my sketchbook. All right, and then they have lots of confetti and paper that I'm going to put to the side. So there's more confetti, and then, so I'll just start from the top. I did get a lot of stickers this time because I really loved the blossom stickers from last time. I think I'll set all the stickers to the side and kind of group everything together, and then I'll share what I have in the box. I found another little freebie. It's a little clear heart shape clip. It's packaged so nicely. They did it so nice and neat. And I think I'll turn this to the side again so you guys can see this better. Okay, so this is one of the first things that I picked out. This is a cherry blossom, and this is a bookmark. And I have never tried one of these bookmarks, so let's open this up and see how it works. So it's so pretty. It's rose gold, and it has the little cherry blossom. So pretty. Or Sakura, I'm not sure what you want to call it, but I call it cherry blossom. It says that it's a bookmark. So let me go ahead and take this out and we'll see how it works. So get my traveler's notebook out again. So I guess you could take it and I could use it in my to mark a page. It has like it's a little clip, and so it does have the never tried a paper clip like this, but this is going to work really nice. And you could put it to the side, and then when you need to, it's there for you. So I really like that, and I can't wait to try that and see how that works. That's really pretty. I'm really glad I tried that. I ordered another one as well because they were, I want to say they were under $1. They were really really affordable. So it's a cute little rainbow. I'm gonna take it out of the package so you can see a bit better. So that is rose gold also, but look at that. Isn't that so cute? So pretty. And then next I did get this little pencil pouch bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the package. Okay, so this feels very nice quality, and again, I want to say, I think that's what impresses me most. I want to say this was $7 or so. Let me go ahead and unzip this so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so inside it's nice and gray and neutral and has a zipper pocket. Wow, this is very high quality for the money. I'm really impressed. So there's another zipper too. Expand it if you want to, just like a suitcase. So that is really nice. All right, let's see here, what's next? I went ahead and picked out one of these little stamps, and I thought this would be great for my sketchbooks because I want to start dating all of my work, as I really want to try to paint something in my sketchbook at least every other day, if not every day. So let me take this out. But it's essentially a little stamp, and it has 11 different designs, from a letter to give me 5 happy holidays today and thank you, sign here, different designs. The one I wanted is today, and I wanted to be able to do the dates. I've never had a date stamp before. Use this knob and you can change the saying. Travel log, I like that one, but most of the time I will just probably use it on today, and then you can change the dates using these dials right here and keep it right on my desk to make it easy to do the date. And then on this side it has Note It Down, and it has a little hot air balloon. So, but I like that it's flat right here. It's going to make it more comfortable to press down and stamp. So that's really nice. Let's see. Okay, next I have a couple of washies. I think I'll pull those out. So I'm going to put those aside with the stickers, and we will take a look at those closer in a minute. Next, look at this. This is a little tape runner, and isn't that so cute? I actually had picked this out the first haul, but it was sold out. But it's a cherry blossom again, and these I believe are special edition. Let me take this out of the package. So it's really pretty pink on the top, and then it has the cute little cherry blossoms, and then you use it as a tape runner. And I wonder if you can refill this. Okay, so you slide that. That's cool. So I've never used this brand. It looks like it could possibly be refillable. I don't want to mess it up, but oh, I bet you can refill it. So this is Norino Plus, and this is a little tape runner. So that is really cute, and I really love the way that holds. It's going to make it where I can pop that in my bag. It's not going to be exposed, so it's not going to get dirty or anything. So this is going to be my perfect tape runner, I think. Next, I went ahead and picked out some more watercolor paper. I did like it enough that I wanted to try more because it's really affordable. So I went ahead and picked out the cold press that I think was my favorite so far, as well as some of the hot press. And they both have 20 sheets, and they're both 100% cotton. I liked that the hot press was 300 GSM. But, and then the cold press is only 200 GSM. Next, I picked out a few of the mild liners, and these are the new ones with the brush nib. So they have a brush nib on one end, and then they have the fine nib on the other end, so you can write and everything. So I picked out the, I think this is magenta, I'm not seeing the name on it, as well as an aqua. So this one again has the really nice brush nib. I just have one of these in gold so far, but I'm really enjoying it. And then the fine nib. And then I also picked out a few of these metallic Karen markers because they have so many great brands that you'll recognize. So these are the Deco brush, and these are the metallics. And then look at this. I could not resist. It was so cute. I couldn't resist. Okay, so then in the box, look, I'm gonna go ahead and move the box out of the way. So at the bottom, there's more confetti, and there's also these little, and I didn't know what these were. I thought they were like guitar picks or something. One of my viewers was nice enough to say that I forget the name of them, but they are to open up the blocks. Because they are blocks, they are glued around all four edges. These allow you to get your sheet of paper off. So let's take a closer look at some of the items I chose. So first is this little traveler's notebook. It's teeny tiny and it's so cute. And I've seen a lot of people use these on Instagram. So first is a little, it looks like a lobster clip. And so you could put this on there if you want to. But look at this, isn't this really cute? This is just so cute. I want to say it was about $2. This is kind of a novelty thing, but look, I could even use some stickers on there. And I don't know about the paper quality. I thought I could swatch my favorite fountain pen ink, and then I would have the swatches really handy, and I could keep it right in my traveler bag. I'm not sure, but if you guys think of a really fabulous idea, please let me know below what you would do with that, because right now I'm thinking I'm going to use it for fountain pen inks and just keep it right here on the zipper pull. So that's going to be really cute. I picked out quite a few stickers and sticker-like products like washi tape. I think I'm going to share those first. So let me go ahead and take these out. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad. So first, of course, I had to get some more cherry blossom, Sakura washi tapes, and I'm not sure the names of these, but I will have them all linked below. So you really don't have to take them out of the box. So if I would have known that, I would have been a little more careful. I was about to tear the box. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see this washi tape. All of these different pretty colors. Oh, that one's pretty too, and it has, so all of those have a bit of pink and a bit of gold on them, and so they're really pretty. I think this is the Sakura set. That is these, and then this is this. I also had to get some more of these really pretty clips. I had to get puppies. I love dogs. I love all animals. All right, next I picked out a bunch of different stickers and that kind of thing. So first I did get some of these, and they are transparent Post-its. You could use it at different places in your traveler's notebook, but I've seen a lot of people use them on planners. And then I did get some stickers. I'm gonna open this up and see. Show just some of them. This is my journal life, and so there's 40 pieces. It had a few things that I thought were cute, like fountain pen inks. It seems like I thought it had fountain pens. It has, oh, look at this. It has some little nibs, like for your like doing calligraphy. That's cute. There's some really cute ones in there. I just need to find a better way to store them than keeping them in here. These stickers, they were like $1 a pack. So I was able to pick quite a few, and they all looked really fun. So this is a violet set, and let's see what these look like. Let's see. I feel like I should be putting these on a white backing so you guys can see them properly. I like these. These are pretty. So we've got some pansies and all different kinds of violet flowers. There's quite a few different flowers on here. Looks like some lilies and some pansies. Different, and some are like a lighter violet. And then some are more blue violet, and some are lighter lavender. They're adhesive backed, but I really love that to start with, you can just use them as little acetate sheets if you don't want to stick them down. Next, I don't think I'm going to open all of these packages, but it does give you a good idea from seeing the front. This is the sweet set, and so it was like white daisies and things like that, and white, looks like some white roses. Really pretty. And this is the pink set and the Tawny set. These are butterfly, and I want to say these were on washi sheets. So they're going to look like they're on vellum. Look at all these sheets. So they have different designs on every sheet. And I'm surprised how many you get in the pack. So those are butterflies. So I think I would really like those too. That's a butterfly pack. I got the Deco Blossom again because I love that. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it's going to come through, but on mine that I shared last time, I love how it has little rose gold. You see that? It's so pretty. And I absolutely loved it. And it was a bit tedious taking the tweezer and putting them all out, but it actually didn't take as long as I thought. And I loved how it came out. And then, so this time I wanted to try these. These are the, but do you see those? Really cute. Everything to do with coffee and really neutral. You know, they're not, I think these are very, very nice, very good quality. And then I also had to get one with puppies, of course, because I love puppies. So cute. That is what I picked out this time. I can't wait to use all of these supplies in my traveler's notebooks. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.